Okay, I'm going to plant Gladioli. Now this is a plant that has been a little bit out of favour, but it's actually starting to come back into fashion. It's a real traditional allotment flower, and great for cut flowers, and a lot of people are now into cut flowers for the house, and Gladioli make the most amazing strong stems to cut, and also very long lasting in a vase. So they're actually corms that you plant in spring, and we've got some here, and they've often got quite a bit of a papery outer coating, which actually, if it's very loose, it's worth just taking it off just in case, so it stops it rotting. Don't take all of them off. They've still got some loose ones on there, but it's best not to take all of them off, just the very, very loose ones. You can see from the corm, you can see a little bit of a top to them, and if you turn them underneath, got a knobbly hard area, which is the root plate. Obviously that's where the roots are going to come from. You can see the little knobbles underneath, which is where the roots will form. So obviously the little pointy bit uppermost, and then it's a case of simply planting them about 4 inches deep. I'm using a line here because in an allotment traditionally you tend to grow them in rows. Obviously if you're growing them in the garden, you can grow them just in a group so that you get a more natural look, and about 4 inches apart, like so. Yeah, the last one. And then just literally cover them over, no need to water, and just let them grow. Once they get to the flowering stalk starts to form, it's sometimes a good idea to use some stakes or some canes just to support the flower, especially if you've got a windy site. But that's all there is to it for planting Gladioli corms.